Sanitation video. This is Fiber Ridge Rainbow. She is leaving a little piece of fur, wool all over her cage. So I'm going to flip her over. These are her back legs. This is her tail. And you can see down here she's got quite a bit of fiber. I'm going to pair the Geimer's clippers. And all I'm going to do is just take and pull some of that fiber away. This is not a show animal. Would not do this to a show animal unless I had to. All I'm doing is pulling this fiber away. It's all seconds. It's all dirty. It's all stuff that we wouldn't use for spinning anyway. I'm just going to go right here below the hop and pull some of that fiber out of there. Just loosening it up. You can see the difference between the two sides now. I'm just going to go through again, grab the other side, pull that fiber out of there, lift the back leg up, run right along the groin area, very carefully. I'm not digging down in, I'm not trying to get the skin, I'm not trying to even try to get to the skin. All I'm doing is pulling some of that fiber away that's going to be lost on the bottom of the cage anyway, and it's getting dirty. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Pull that leg up. You can see like massive amounts of fur down here. Just taking and very carefully pulling that fiber away, shearing it down. Okay, well. And then going around the vent area and very carefully pulling some of that fiber away. Again, this is not a show animal. This is just a fiber animal right now. All I'm trying to do, her coat's at the end of her cycle as well. So she's going to be losing her coat. She's starting to molt a little bit out of it in her cage anyway. I'm pulling away from the vent. I'm not shaving towards the vent. Very carefully. I'm going to do the other side. You can see where it's quite a bit longer over here. I'm just going to pull in there. I'm going to go top of the vent as well. This is all stuff that we do pre-breeding as well to make it to where there's better contact between the buck and the doe. Just going down that tail where there's a little bit of matting. I'm going to pull her tail up. You can see there's a little bit of... I'm just going to clean that tail up so we're not losing that fiber all over the bottom of the cage, which then could create more mats and dirty hops. Now she's got a regular bunny tail. She's got a little bit of a mat down here at the base. Just going to kind of clean that area up. And that's what it looks like to do a sani trim. When I'm done, I am also going to blow this area out on a very low blow. Blower. You'll see here. I'm not actually touching the area. I didn't do any direct blow on the genital area. And you can see here, above the tail is nice and clean now. Around the tail is nice and clean. And the genital area is nice and clean. That is what we call a sani trim.